Welcome back to the Nightcap. Tonight's Better Than Average Drink in Less Than Average Time came from a comment by a Scottish comedian in 1769. Actually asked us to do a mocktail. So we're going to go ahead and do a mocktail. Love this one. I guarantee everyone will love it also. We're going to use Seedlip Grove 42. A lot of mocktails come out too sweet. This one's going to come out just right. So it's a pretty easy concoction to make. We're going to start out with the Seedlip Grove 42, and it is going to just be 1.5 ounces poured on top of ice. So we'll get this poured down, and this will really give you that cocktail taste without all the sugar that you constantly get in a lot of mocktails. Now, after that, tonic water. So crack that open and pour it down. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.